back to DCR. Today, cleaning the block. We're gonna hone it. We're gonna do all kinds of things today. It's gonna be a good video. Here we got some stuff ready to set up. Got my flex hone brush and drill ready. Here's the block. And then I don't think I've gotten a good, really detailed look at just kind of the parts that I have so far. So this is the Kylote, or however you say that. Brace with me. This is my timing chain. It's a double roller. It's kind of similar to what was on the engine before I tore it off, so I might as well just stick with what I have. This is my camshaft. Here are the specs. Not a big cam, but it's what was in the engine previously, and that's just what we're gonna run with for now. Pistons, piston rods, rod bearings, crankshaft bearings. So yeah, that is what we have. What's up, Scooter? Yeah.
Who's that taking the paint off? Oh well. You never quit doing that. Water going to do that? So upset. So upset.
Okay, we're good. Well, oh my lord, hold on. There we go. Sorry, I got a new gimbal and it's quite confusing. But yeah, I mean, look at that. I mean, it's got the cross hatching. It's way better than what it looked before. I mean, I should have taken after picks, or before picks, but I didn't because, you know, silly me. I mean, there's still some grimy spots there, but I'm not too worried about that. I think she'll be a-okay. Maybe might go to a machine shop and see if they can't scuff some of that up just to kind of make the deck surface look clean there. But yeah, we're doing good. Come back here. Yeah. True. Well, I think she's looking pretty good. I don't know if I want to start assembling yet or what I want to do, because I don't have a ring gap or a piston ring filer, but I mean, there's still some of that gunk stuff there, that nasty bit up top, but I mean, dang, look at that, shiny on the inside. Some of the threads in there too for the heads cleaned out pretty nice too. It was all gunked up, and most of it can see some metallicness to it, but yeah, I think that came out pretty well. I think we're gonna pause here and get set up, maybe putting some pistons together, maybe doing some other stuff, but yeah, engine is clean. cleaned up and oiled up. Pistons and rods are clean. Put those together here in a minute. I'm gonna get this in and check tolerances and whatnot. So yeah. I already showed you this, but I just kind of reorganized some stuff, and camshaft is out. Can clean that up. Cranked. Bearings are in. This is a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. Camshaft in, that was a little struggle, but that's okay. Alright, take this off. I don't know. Crank is in. I just checked clearances and we are fucking golden. I didn't get that on camera because I was just in the flow and I was going. So yeah, camshaft is back in, crankshaft is back in. I think I gotta go get some bolt thread lube thingy my bobbers, and then come back and put some pistons together and fucking send it, bud. I have returned. Camshaft is in. Just left to do these. I don't know how far I'm going to get into these tonight. Probably have to come in tomorrow to do those. But crank is in for the last time. It's all torque 10. Oh my god, dude, that makes me so happy. Smooth. I have returned. I didn't realize how annoying these spiral lock rings were going to be, but they're putting up quite the fight. I got one. Hey, I got one. That is what I am happy about. One is done, and I believe I have it set up right. This this part is gonna go on to the cheek of the crank, and then we'll tomorrow get these all done, take the bolts off, put the bearings on, and then we'll put them on the engine, and we'll go from there. But I think for now I'm gonna clean up, lock up, and go home and eat dinner. Call it a night. Oh, and I think I might keep the lifters out for now. Same with the timing chain. I think that's gonna stay out. I think for now I'm gonna coat everything with oil, put a nice towel over it so it doesn't get too dry. Cover up the engine for now, but I'm so freaking ecstatic right now. Things are going to plan. 2 of the rings already that I put in here are 2 spec. Their pink is moving. Hopefully when the engine is done, come back to this feller, the T5, get that built, get it all ready, made them together, and put them in the truck and freaking go crazy. But yeah, I think that's gonna be for today's video. I'll be back tomorrow and we'll get going on that. But for now, clean up and skedaddle. Hey folks, welcome back to DCR. It is day 2. Thing in the world, but yeah, piston numero uno. Yeah, so this is one. I gotta mark these again. Here's my Sharpie. It's gonna be facing this way. So Well, took a little break from filming, I guess I would say. The getting these off are a little pain in the butt, so I have to go put them in a vise carefully and smack the top caps out. I unfortunately, while installing one of the rings, snapped it. So, new set's on the way for rings. So hopefully this is the only one that snaps. 2 out, just so I'm practically almost done. But yeah, this thing's nice. Oop. This one's on my TDC. Let's see, right about there is TDC. And then we'll start to... So yeah, pretty nice. That's what I got done so far. Slowly but surely, coming together. Soon. But yeah, everything's all good. I think I'm just gonna get back to smacking all the caps off and probably put the pistons together carefully. But yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, these freaking spring rings have been kicking my butt. Specifically this finger. All kinds of cuts just showing up out of nowhere. Piston 4. Intake side. Piston 4 is done now. So I think for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get just the oil ring on the 8th piston. Because, yeah, unfortunate that happened, but it happened. And then since I don't have the proper APR bolt lube for the threads, you can use 0.30. That's what I'm going to do. Then you just add about 5 foot-pounds. So we're doing about 70 foot-pounds of torque for these fellers. I don't know. This has been coming along pretty smooth. I'm just been kind of not recording because I've just been going at it. Done for the day. It's almost 7 o'clock. Pretty nice out tonight. It stopped raining and everything, but here's the C4. That's for a later project. That was going to be for the truck, but I got a T5 now, so that's way better. But yeah, I'm going to end it here today. So if you guys liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. It means the world to me. It helps me a lot, and it's free for you. So yeah, catch you guys later.